Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming in from Margate, Florida. And today we're doing a nice, reasonably priced way of working on your work truck. I know a lot of times you get in work truck stuff, it can get a little on the expensive side. But you know, here's an opportunity to get a high quality product that is reasonable price. So we have a Ford F-150 here. We have two products here. We have the Access Tonnosport and we have the Vantec racks here. And we put them all on this nice Ford F-150. Before I get into how everything works, take a look how it is set up. Now as you know, I always tell you the pros and cons of everything we do here. Now, the Vantec go into the bed caps here, which is pretty good. Most trucks, it's pretty easy. On this Ford, it was a little bit of a hassle, to be honest with you. We had to bring these out a little further, so we had to add a little bracket to it. This way the cover would clear the racks. I'm telling you that in case you buy the same setup and you're wondering, hey, well, it's not fitting. It will fit, as you can see, a little bit more work. So I'm just letting you know now. That being said, these things are super strong. As you can see, they're bolted in there. They're not going anywhere. You can put a very long rack on here. You can put, a very long ladder on this rack. It does have a T-slot here and has a T-slot on the top, so you can add all kinds of accessories for it. Now, the Tonnosport makes a really nice cover. Now, the reason we went with this particular cover was it doesn't cover the bed caps. These had to go into the bed cap, so we picked this cover so it would work with this setup. There's other covers that would cover this, which would not work together. That's why we picked these two. Plus, I actually think this is a good looking cover. Even though it's a work truck, you still want to look good, right? Now, if you look here, it's got a nice little design pattern. So to show you how everything works here. Again, it's a work truck, so it's a little dirty here because they use it for work. Now, basically, as you can see, I am clearing the racks. This does have a support system in here. Now, if you're wondering what this is, if you live up north, you got snow, you don't want this thing to sag. This has two support systems in here, and that's really good from Florida for rain. Up north, it's for snow. So again, it rolls all the way up. Now, what I like about this setup is if you got something really big, you need all your bed. You know, again, it's a work truck. If you get a trifold, well, it might stop right here and you can't access 1/3 of the bed. This one gives me full access to the bed. So he's not giving up any space whatsoever in this bed. You can drive with this, just basically locks in the other side here, really easy. The most important thing, it's easy to use. So again, you just kind of roll it out here. And if you look here, the supports go right in there. So the rails will hold the supports in there. Then we get a little here. And then of course, this will go, I don't know if you see a little groove here, these come out here. This is gonna go right into that little groove. And he just kind of locks into place like that. And you can see how nice and tight it is. It's a great look. I mean, again, it is a work truck, but you want to look good. Just because you have a work truck doesn't mean you have to have something that doesn't look nice. Now, if you like this, you say, you know what, Chris? I want it. How do I get it? Well, you can call us. We'll ship it anywhere in the country. Or you can be like this guest here. Come to the store, let us put it on for you. We do put a 1-year labor guarantee on all our products here, plus the warranty from the manufacturer. The manufacturer covers the parts, we cover the labor. Again, before I forget, like and subscribe. And I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the Vantec racks, ladder racks with a Access Tonnosport cover, and I'm Chris. Thank you.